Functional exercise is all about training the body for real-life movements. Instead of isolating a single muscle on a machine, functional training focuses on movements that mimic daily activities, like squatting, pushing, pulling, bending, twisting, walking, and carrying. It helps improve overall strength, coordination, balance, and flexibility, which all translate into better performance in everyday tasks. Imagine lifting a heavy box off the floor, reaching for something high on a shelf, or quickly catching yourself from a fall. These moments demand more than just brute strength. They require control, mobility, and movement awareness. That's where functional exercise comes in. It trains your body to move better, not just harder. One of the core benefits is injury prevention. When your body learns to move the way it's designed to, you minimize stress on joints, reduce compensation patterns, and strengthen the muscles that support safe movement. You're not just getting fit, you're building a resilient body. Functional training usually includes compound movements, exercises that engage multiple joints and muscles simultaneously. Think squats, deadlifts, lunges, push-ups, rows, carries, and rotational exercises. These build real-world strength and also fire up the core in ways isolation movements can't. Let's talk about movement patterns. There are 7 foundational patterns in functional training: squat, hinge, lunge, push, pull, rotation, and gait. These aren't just workout techniques, they're the blueprint for human movement. A well-rounded program should incorporate all of them, adjusted to your level and goals. For example, squatting isn't just for gym gains. It's what you do every time you sit down or get up. Practicing proper squat mechanics makes that movement easier and safer. The same goes for hinging, like when you pick up something from the floor. Training deadlifts can help you avoid back injuries during that exact movement. Pushing and pulling actions mirror opening doors, carrying groceries, or playing sports. Lunges improve your stride and stability. Rotational exercises help with spinal mobility and functional core strength. And gait patterns, walking, running, carrying, train coordination and endurance. What makes functional training powerful is its adaptability. Whether you're an athlete, an office worker, a new parent, or recovering from injury, you can scale the intensity and complexity of functional exercises to match your needs. It's not a one-size-fits-all approach. It's a customizable system designed for real life. Here's something important. Functional training isn't about flashy movements or balancing on a Bosu ball while juggling dumbbells. It's about intentional movement with purpose. Start with fundamentals, then progress. Focus on form, control, and consistency. And if you're someone who really wants to understand the science and structure behind functional movement, maybe to apply it professionally or just to train smarter, the Functional Exercise Diploma at Elearn College is worth a look. It's an online course that breaks down everything from biomechanics to program design, so you can train yourself or others with real confidence. Check it out if you're ready to take your knowledge further. Let's get into progressions. A big mistake people make is jumping into complex exercises too quickly. The key is to master the basics first, then add challenge. For example, a bodyweight squat should come before a goblet squat. A wall push-up should precede a full push-up. Use progressions to build strength without sacrificing form. Another vital element of functional training is mobility. Good movement starts with mobility. If you can't move through a full range of motion, your body will compensate in unhealthy ways. Spend time on ankle mobility, hip flexibility, thoracic spine rotation, and shoulder mobility. Add dynamic stretches, mobility drills, and soft tissue work into your routine. Don't forget stability. Functional strength is not just about moving a load. It's about controlling your body under load. That means developing stability in your core, hips, knees, and shoulders. Planks, bird dogs, single-leg exercises, and controlled tempo reps help build this kind of control. Now let's talk about functional programming. A well-structured weekly plan should address all movement patterns while balancing load and recovery. You don't need to train every day, but consistency is key. Here's a basic template. Day 1, lower body strength, squats and hinges. Day 2, upper body push-pull, push-ups, rows. Day 3, mobility and core, slow, controlled, restorative. Day 4, functional conditioning, Circuits with carries, lunges and bodyweight work. Day 5. Active recovery. Walking, stretching, light movement. Weekend. Rest or fun activity. The goal is sustainable progress. You want your workouts to support your life, not drain it. Listen to your body. Train hard, recover harder. Functional training also improves posture and breathing. Breathing mechanics are often overlooked, but they play a crucial role in core stability and movement efficiency. Learn to breathe with your diaphragm, maintain intra-abdominal pressure, and coordinate breath with movement. For athletes, functional training enhances agility, power, and injury resistance. For older adults, it builds balance and coordination. For the everyday person, it makes daily life easier, from carrying groceries to climbing stairs. Remember, functional exercise is not a trend, it's a philosophy. It's about training smart, moving well, and being strong where it counts. And if you're ready to take your understanding of functional fitness to the next level, with structure, depth, and expert insights, explore the Functional Exercise Diploma at Elearn College. It's flexible, affordable, and designed to fit your schedule. Functional training gives you back control over your body. It bridges the gap between the gym and real life. Whether your goal is to move pain-free, get stronger, or help others do the same, functional exercise is your foundation. Keep learning, keep moving, and remember, the best investment you can make is in your own movement. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. And if you're curious about the why behind the movement, you know where to look. Elearn College has the roadmap.